Kelly here, 안녕하세요. Today guys, I'm going to show you a short unboxing videos of my newest gadget, which is the iPhone 14 guys. That really is useful for my vlogging at talagang magagamit ko pagdating sa mga photos and social media activities ko guys. I hope you like it. Guys, hindi pala ito pagmamalaki o pagyayabang, baka na naman sabihin mo, etong si Pinay, napaka-boastful naman po nito, napakayabang naman ito. Guys, ito pong gadget ko na ito is under contract. So, under contract means it's payable within 3 years or it depends upon your contract that you sign in the network or the internet connection that you have. It's rather KT, LG, or any internet connection that they have in Korea. So this is an offer. So payable within 3 years. Guys, dito sa Korea, basta may proper visa ka lang, may trabaho ka, and at the same time, magaling kang magbayad ng utang on time, ikaw ay may chances maka-afford na makakuha ng mga ganito. And at the same time guys, dito sa Korea, you can use credit card. Credit card means credit or utang, 'di ba? So, kailangan mo lang magbayad on time at huwag kang malilate sa pagbayad kasi magiging bad records yun sa iyong bangko. So, I hope you like it and it gives you idea of how the iPhone 14 Pro looks like. And by the way, the color of this, it's like gray and violet color. So, I hope you like it and give it a thumbs up. So the box or the case looks like this iPhone Pro Max. I just blurred the serial number guys to protect my privacy. This is an early Christmas gift for me by my husband guys. I'm so happy and lucky to have a great husband like this to shower me and repay me for taking care of the kids and working in the house. And ako guys, napaka-kuripot ko talaga and I don't want to splurge with expensive things. But my husband told me, kailangan mag-enjoy ka rin sa mga bago at saka mamahalin. Kasi it worth the quality and the price. Long time usage. Basta ayusin mo lang at maging masinop ka lang sa paggamit. So guys, it's a metallic shade with purple and sometimes it looks like gray. And it has 48 megapixel upgrade to the main camera on the iPhone 14 Pro model, makes a major difference in quality. But it's not something that it's for the day-to-day use because of the file sizes. The sensor upgrade does not bring improvements to all photos, and the new 4K 24 FPS option for cinematic made result in great videos. So malaki usually ang nagagamit na memory. It's a cell phone but you can use it as well as a DSLR camera. You know guys, personally, na-notice ko sa mga Koreans, lahat ng mga mamahaling bagay at gamit talagang binibili nila kahit gaano pa yan kamahal. Kasi they can afford it or they can credit it using their credit card. And Koreans guys are really materialistic and they really like branded items and luxury items. Ito guys yung nanonotice ko dito. Kung tayo sa mga Pilipino, sa Pinas, mahilig din tayo sa mga branded. Mas matindi. Anyway guys, aside from unboxing and opening the new iPhone 14 Pro, I also buy some protection or protectum for glass and also this plastic cover. This will help my cell phone to hold and also to protect talaga from the scratches and everything. And this will be my cell phone for about 3 to 5 years. I hope you like my videos for today and my short unboxing of iPhone Pro Max. Please leave a comment and tell me what do you think about this latest model of iPhone. So guys, in the near future, you can expect better quality of my videos and photos because I'm going to use this iPhone. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.